So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make sample UK drill beats, because they're always trending on TikTok recently. So I feel like if I show you how to make them, then maybe you can be the producer that's trending on TikTok. The first step, is you need to find a song that a lot of people will recognize and a lot of people will know. And the one I found is this one, Candyland by Tobu. Everyone knows that. And what you need to do is like chop up a little bit of the sample. Don't go crazy with this. Just find the part that's recognizable and do that. So did the intro. That's one part, then this part. And then this part. So yeah, I basically made 3 different sections out of the intro. So here's the filtered section, here's like the regular section, and then here's the pitch down section. Then all you do is basically just move to the drums, so you get an 808. Pretty simple. So the 808 literally just follows the chords that is playing in the sample. So A, C, E, A, E, C, E, and that's the root notes. That's what the chords are doing. So I just followed that, made a little rhythm. What you gotta do is add 808 slides, because it is drill. Drill needs 808 slides. This is where it's gonna slide up to. This is where it's gonna slide from. Place at any note where you want it to be. Double tap it, and then you press this little triangle thing here. Boom, easy. That's how you get the slide notes. Another thing is you want to make them as small as you can on just the line grid, the regular grid, and it just makes the slides clean and makes them quick and like, you know what I mean. And also if you didn't do this, you wouldn't even hear it. See? Okay, so that's why it's quite important to do the cuts there. And also something I like to do, just bring down the velocity of the slideys, because they're quite high up and it makes them quite loud. So yeah, just to normalize the volume a little bit, I guess. In drill you normally have like a couple variations of the same 808 pattern. So yeah, added this kick pattern. I'll play the rest of the percussions. How you get a drill hi-hat is pretty simple. So I'm gonna go down here. You do this. You do this. Okay, and then you just copy this pattern. And that's the drill hi-hats. Okay, but then you can add some little saucy bits there. Add little rolls. Add these little things. Adds a lot of bounce right here. Versus, you know what I mean? It's quite a subtle difference, but it adds that extra sauce, extra bounce. So I'd recommend doing stuff like that if you're making drill. Boom, boom, easy peasy. And yeah, the bongos. Do just like a off snare, but I do actually have like a offbeat snare here. Hat loop. Fill in a space, and then I have this little next little chirp effect. Just because why not? I just felt like adding it. Then I did add this little switch up section where I just added percussion instead of hi-hats, so a bit like this. And then with arranging it, all I did was do this intro with the filtered section, and then added the full section for the hook. This section for the verse. Oh yeah, and also added a different 808 pattern. Yeah, with this slide instead, and this slide, which this is my favorite slide though. Yeah, that's hard. Enjoy again, like this is something that you normally do. You maybe add like 2 or 3 different 808 patterns and sort of switch between them, just because I don't know, they just like to do that. So you know, I'm not a drill producer, so I'm gonna take advice from drill producer, and then I just added some risers. You know, the riser just transitions it better. It's a subtle difference. And then here, where I did the cutout, you can hear that the cymbal reverses into the snare to sort of build up to it. It's sort of something they do in EDM. So you know, shout out to Candyland. Yeah, watch this video here because you should. And yeah, I'm gonna go now. So bye.